video, we're going to learn how to create a line chart visualization as part of an HTDAP program. We will start with the beginning of a program that we designed in previous videos. I will keep the planning steps and make systematic changes to these steps where necessary so that our program can create a line chart. I'll keep the data definitions and read function, but we will redo step 2C, designing functions to analyze the data, since our analysis plan of creating a line chart differs from the original analysis plan. Our goal will be to create a line chart that shows BC's population over the years. Let's work through the program and make necessary edits as we go. For step 1A, nothing has changed. Our file still contains the same information. As a reminder, this file contains information about BC's population changes from 1975 till 2012. You can see the information that it contains for each year in the file. For step 1B, all of these ideas are still valid, and our program could answer these questions. I will add our line chart as an option and update our goal for the program. Our goal is no longer phrased as a question, but it does describe our goal for the program. Create a line chart showing BC's population over time. For step 1C, I need to change my example. Previously, when our programs produced a non-visual answer, we could write our example in the form of an expect, and it was sufficient to show what type and form of answer we expected our program to output. We still want to include an expect, but we do need to edit it. Previously, we expected this program to produce the answer 2000. Every time our program creates a graph or chart, the return type will be none. We'll talk more about that later, but for now, I'll update this example. In addition to writing an expect, when our program will create a visualization, like our line chart, we want to draw an example of what our program will produce. I like to hand draw the examples, although you could use a drawing program on your computer if you prefer. Once you've hand drawn the example, you can take a picture of it and then insert the image into your markdown cell using the Edit menu Insert Image option. The purpose of the example is to think about what we want the graph to look like. We are not trying to draw the exact output. In other words, you should not worry about finding all the exact data points and drawing them. Instead, like in this example, focus on what each axis will represent and what a rough shape of an output graph might be. Moving on to step 2A, the data definitions that we built in the previous example work for this problem, so we do not need to update them. As a quick reminder, we have a compound to store a year's population change and a list of these population changes. Our read function for step 2B is also already designed and correct.